Hello everyone, welcome to my beauty channel. If you want to learn how to blend your eyeshadow like a pro, keep on watching. I have already done my brows using Allure pomade. Absolutely love this concealer from Essence. I use it as my eyeshadow base and a little goes a long way. That's why I'm scraping off the excess. Apply this to your eyelid. You can use a damp beauty blender or a dense brush. This one is from Real Techniques. Just gently tap the product into your skin. Before we start with eyeshadow, here's 2 golden tips when holding your brush. Hold the brush close to the bristles. This will give you more control when applying eyeshadow. The opposite applies when you hold the brush further from the bristles. You have less control, which makes it easier to blend. How pretty is this palette from Essence? I will use this dusty pink color as my transition shade. And remember to tap off the excess product. I apply this color into my crease area. You can do this in windshield movements, that's from left to right, or in circular movements. Repeat this on the bottom lashes. This is a high pigment white color. And I'm dabbing this in the inner corners of my eye. For the outer corner, let's take this medium dark brown and remember to tap off. Hold the brush close to the bristles and press the color into the outer corners. With a blending brush, move gently over the harsh lines until it disappears. Repeat these steps if you like a more darker look. To underline my bottom lashes, I use an angle brush with the same medium dark brown color. You can stop here if you like this intensity, but I'm going to show you what black eyeshadow can do. Use the same technique and apply the black eyeshadow gently in the outer corners. Now blend to soften the harsh lines. With the same angled brush, apply a little black eyeshadow at the bottom corner. Mascara is my favorite thing in the world. I use the Essence Lush Princess for a dramatic effect. Always apply mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Let's clean up the eyeshadow fallout. Micellar water from Garnier is very gentle to your skin. I will quickly do the rest of my makeup off camera. And here's the final look. Please remember to subscribe. Until next time. Mwah.